Hi everybody, so I'm kind of doing this on a whim. I am going to be making not to say that my other videos aren't real, but a lot of them are different video ideas, and this video is kind of a pull out the camera and kind of just record. I have court tomorrow for child support, and a lot of people are going to be like, well, why are you crying? It's just child support. Sawyer's dad and I got into it today, and it was over something stupid. He was trying to ask me who I was friends with on Facebook, and pretty much me telling him that's none of his business. I don't ask who he's friends with. Basically, it's none of his business. And I got all riled up about it. And of course, I'm going to be going for sole custody, but sitting there thinking about it, he's taking a nap right now. I've been scaring myself thinking that somehow he's going to take Sawyer away from me, and Sawyer means the world to me. And I think you guys can tell that from my videos. He's given me a reason to keep going, and just the thought of his dad taking him from me just kills me. And I don't think there's any way that he could, because he does have a criminal record. He does have a drug problem, but it's just one of those things where, do I wish he could have been man enough to stick around the whole pregnancy and everything? Yeah, of course, but I'm at this point now where I wish he just wouldn't have appeared. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, this is how I'm feeling, and I told you I would show the good, bad, and the ugly, and this is probably the second or third time I've cried on this channel, but it's hard being, I'm not even going to say it because it's not true. It's not hard being a single parent. It's not. You get all of the hugs, you get all of the kisses, you get all of the good, the bads, the uglies. You experience everything. You don't miss out on anything. I think the hard part is sharing your children with someone, especially since his dad hasn't been around ever. He has never met his dad. So for me to just think that he could ever be in charge of my child, I would probably flee the state before I let that happen. I don't know. I just feel like maybe I won't have enough evidence when it comes to sole custody that they'll just let him have joint custody. I don't know. But I have to remind myself that he doesn't have a car, so if an emergency were to happen, he doesn't have the means to get him to a hospital, a doctor, anything. He doesn't have a crib for him, he doesn't have toys, he doesn't have books, he doesn't have clothes, he doesn't have anything. So I think I have that playing on my side, but this is kind of scatterbrained. But I wanted to sit down and kind of express how I'm feeling, because I think I may look back on this years from now and laugh at myself on how scared I was, but I think it's just nice to have these memories. I don't know. Of course, I'll update you guys after the court date and stuff like that. And I plan while I'm there to file for the sole custody, but it's not an easy process to go through. And I don't know how people who are going through divorces at the same time do it. I really don't, because just doing it, and we weren't even married, we weren't even in a relationship, it's hard. And I feel like it's unfair that I have to prove myself or something like that because he decides he wants to be in the picture. Like, I've been there the whole time. Why do I have to prove myself? So that is that. but I figured I would come on here, talk a little bit, kind of. My hope was that if I talked through my feelings that maybe I'd feel a little better. And I kind of do now that I've kind of gotten it out. I felt like, and I know she's going to watch this, I felt like as I was talking to my mom about it, she kind of wasn't listening to me. So the camera can't interrupt me or ignore me. So, alright. I'm just gonna stop talking while I'm ahead now that I've got my tears out. But yeah, I have some exciting news coming up at the end of this month, so keep an eye out for that. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.